Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if this is your first time, you're very much welcome. Today it's more like I'm giving back to my community. So I recently learned how to link my videos using end cards and end screens. So I said end cards, using cards and end screens. So yeah, I'm going to teach you how to do it because it was quite, I was thinking it was only for pro YouTubers, like it's a feature that only the big YouTubers can have, but anybody can actually do it. So yeah, I'm going to teach you how to do it. And if this video helped you in any way, please subscribe. You're most likely a small YouTuber like me if you're watching this, and if it helps you, please also subscribe to my channel and support the community. Okay, all right, now let's move to it. So you go on YouTube, you click on it. Yeah, and you click on this icon here, this icon, your icon, not this one but this one. Click on it. Yeah, and click on your channel, and then go to YouTube Studio. Here I'm pointing my fingers for those that cannot follow the arrow easily. Sorry guys, it will take some time. Yep, I'm there. And then you click on videos. Then you pick any of the video you want to add your end screen and card to. I will pick this one because I don't care much for it, so I can do anything I want with it. I can change it if I want. I didn't even add any description. That is how weird it is. Yeah, so I would look, this is where the end screen appears and your card. If you don't see it immediately, just shift this thing from like this to like this, and then you're going to see it. This, what's it called? I've forgotten what makes your screen move. Yeah, so you move it to the right side, and then you see this end screen on cards. You click on end screen. Yeah, you see this arrow. You can use it to move your you can use it to place wherever you want the video to appear, but because it's end screen, you can only put it from, like, I think from the last few seconds. That is where you can place the video. So yeah, since I have this one already, I have to remove it. I have to delete it so that I can show you how I did it. Yep, I deleted. Look at how I did it. I went to this place, plus. Then as you can see, I can either put video, playlist, subscribe channel, and I will put video now. Look, it gives me the option to put my most recent video, which is like the latest video I uploaded, or the best for the viewer, which is like I think they will customize it to the taste of the viewer, like what would the viewer prefer to watch, and then choose a specific video. So this choose a specific video, you can put any video you want. I clicked on it and then it showed all my videos, so I can click on any of the video. Let me put this one. Yeah, you can see it appeared on this place. Then I add again, because you can add up to 4. So I add one more so that I can just show you. I add playlist because I want to add my playlist. These are my playlists. Study abroad tips, guys, go check it out. Yeah, I added it. You can add as much as you want, just follow the rules. I think I can only add 2 here just because of the aspect ratio of the video. If it was like a 16:9, then I can add 4, but now it's like it's just, I think, a 9:6, or I don't know what you call this dimension, but it is rectangle in the other way. Sorry, I don't know the word for it, but you understand what I mean. So I can only add 2. But if it was in the 16:9 aspect ratio, which is the right ratio for YouTube, then it would show, then I can put 4 links. But for now, I can only put 2 links. And then you save. This is where I clicked save. So it's saved now. And then the cards, I add the card. You can add as much card as you want, like, or I think maximum of 4, but you can just keep adding until it says you cannot add anymore. But I usually just add 1 because I don't want to overwhelm my viewers. So I want to add this one, the real cost of studying abroad, and I want to add it in the middle. So how do I do this? I just click my mouse on this line here and then move it wherever I want. Wherever I leave that line is where the card appears. So I want to leave it here, and then I add another one, my playlist. You can add anything you want to add, but I just like to add no playlist appears. So I add another video again. Yep, add it here, and that's, look at where it shows. This is what shows when you watch this video. It will just appear like this. I'm sure you guys always see it when you watch other people's video. This is what happens. You add your card, and then this thing appears wherever you add it. So yeah, that's it. Then you click save. Usually this save does not appear, but because I'm making changes to what I already did before, that's why it's appearing. So I click save, as you can see here. Save. And it's done. So anybody who watches this video would see the links of the card I put, and then at the end of the video they would see the videos I put there. So that's it, guys. If this video was helpful,